You are allowed to file a discrimination or retaliation case against your employer if you are terminated because you pursued a workers' comp case.
But not if you quit, only if you got terminated.
Sort of. I mean, we have a legal concept. I think the term became kind of popular maybe a few years ago where people would talk about microaggressions, treating you a little bit differently, not outright doing anything to terminate you, but making your life so bad in a small way every single day where you say, I can't take this anymore. I have to quit. Now, that can be a termination for legal purposes too.
What would you tell them before you quit to do? Or if you already quit, what do you do?
A lot of people do have injuries that they don't recognize occur until after they've already left their employment. And
Yeah.
those are usually the case in cumulative trauma. And we
Hmm.
see it with asbestos cases, certainly. I mean, those are few and far between now. We used to do asbestos cases. Same thing goes for other types of cancers. Firefighters with exposure to known carcinogens can have a latency period of 5 to 15
Yeah.
years. So the idea of you actually knowing you have an injury is kind of somewhat vague. And in the event of cumulative trauma, where you don't know until potentially years later, you may still have a viable workers' comp case. When you're pursuing a work comp case, it's against their insurance company. And so if your employer was a small mom and pop shop where obviously, they've long since closed the doors and things like that, their insurance company actually may still be active. To the extent the insurance company isn't active any longer, the insurance company may have been acquired by another insurance company, or if they actually went into bankruptcy, California has something called CIGA, which is California Insurance Guarantee Association, which is basically insurance for insurance.